welcome back. Today I'm just going to do a little short video on how I change out my air filter on the ITB. Before I do that, let's do a little quick walk around. So I'm just doing a video on my air filter replacement on my GSXR 750 ITB here. I'm going to show you what type of filter I'm using and which type of filter screen that I'm using. I'll link the website on this channel here. And as you can see here how my ITB is set up, I don't have a lot of space in this area here. I will show you what I'm using. Before I change out the filter, I just want to mention that the velocity stack are by Dan ST Engineering. Alright, let's get started and let's remove the velocity stack, and I'll show you the process as I go. Alright, the velocity stack are removed, and I will show you the process of my air filter replacement. Alright, so here is how the velocity stack sit in the vehicle. They literally make contact with each other. This is how close they are. So which means I am unable to use a SOX type air filter that will slide over the velocity stack because they're making contact with each other. So I was able to find these. As you can see, I had to cut it. I had to make little slits in here for zip ties to go through. As you can see, the zip ties right here, right here, in order for me to put filters in it. So I'll show you how it looks like. So I'm going to start off with this one here. I'm going to cut off the old zip ties. Alright, again, I had to make a cut into this rubber ring. That's how it looks like. Alright, so cut, put it around the velocity stack. Had to make little holes in here for zip ties to go through. It will come with two screens. Here's the first screen, the secondary screen, and obviously the air filter. It's a velocity stack. All right, sandwich it, put together, put the ring over it, and run new zip ties through, and then you're gonna end up with something like this. So here's the filter I'm using. It is a uni filter. It's a 12 by 16, and this I'm using a 40 ppi foam type. Okay, if you want to go with a 60 ppi, totally up to you. But I'm using the 40 ppi unifilter foam. This one here, 12 by 16. All right. So what I'll do, have the old filter placed here. I will trace it 4 times, cut it out. All right, so it is all traced and cut. And let's install it onto the velocity stack. All right, so here's what I do. First screen, filter, screen, place onto the velocity stack. Put the rubber ring over it. Okay. That's how it looks like. Grab 2 zip ties. Zip tie is going to go through this hole that I made. All right, now we can do the one on the back. Same thing. Goes through the hole. Here it is. Just trim these off. There it is. Do the same to the rest of them, and they should all look like this. All right, it's all done. And now I'm just gonna finish it off with the foam filter oil from Uni. And that's it. Just install it back onto the ITB. There you have it. The velocity stack are installed. Everything looks brand new again. Looks good. And that's how I install filters on my Gixxer's 750 ITBs on my 1.6 engine.